हेलो गाइस, आई एम शुभम फ्रॉम शो ट्यूटोरियल। इस वीडियो में हम इन्वर्जन के पीवाईक्यू सॉल्व करेंगे। तो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन टू गेट नोटिफाइड व्हेनेवर न्यू वीडियो is up. This is absolutely free from your side, but it will help us grow. We have discussed inversion right, in detail. Inversion, what is inversion? Chromosomal abnormality, right? Chromosomal abnormality, or we can say anomaly, right? So we have discussed what is inversion in detail. First watch that video, then come to this video. It will make more easy for you. First question, chromosomal inversions are balanced rearrangements and thus do not change the overall amount of the genetic material. Okay, when you are reading the question, the points भी बहुत important है, right? See, inversion does not cause change in the amount of genetic material. Okay, this is very important. While inversion can exist in homozygous condition, some only exist as heterozygotes. In the latter condition, the breakpoint disrupts. Okay, inversion में क्या होता है? Segment invert होता है. Okay, there is inversion taking place. Homozygous and heterozygous, these are the two separate things. Heterozygotes में breakpoint disrupts. What it disrupts? Pairing? No. Pairing takes place. We know there is a formation of inversion loop. Okay, crossover होता है. Non-coding region? No. Coding region? No. A gene with essential function? Yes. So gene with an essential function is disrupted. Okay. When crossover takes place, there is a deletion. Right? Inversion are considered as crossover suppressors because homozygous inversions are lethal and thus they do not appear in next generation. Wrong. Homozygous inversions are normal. अगर inversion homozygous है, it is not lethal. Inversion heterozygotes, that is one copy having normal chromosome and its homologue having inversion, does not allow crossing over to occur as they cannot pair at all. No, this is also wrong. Heterozygous condition हो तो भी crossing over होता है. Okay, crossing over does occur. Due to inversion present, 4 chromosomes take part in the pairing and crossing over events and make the structure difficult for separation and gamete formation. No, 4 chromosome does not take part in the pairing and crossing over. Okay, make the structure difficult for separation and gamete formation. No, this is not connecting. Okay, not accurate. The pairing and crossing over do occur in inversion heterozygote. Yes, होता है pairing crossing over, but gametes having crossover products are lethal. Yes, this is very true. Okay, जो crossover products बनते हैं, those are lethal. Right? We know that after a crossover, 50% gametes are viable and 50% are inviable. Inviable means lethal only. So the option 4 is correct. Thus it is known as crossover suppressor. You have to remember this. Next question. The following diagram shows meiotic pairing in an inversion heterozygote and a point where single crossing over has occurred. The resulting gametes produced may have the chromosome having normal gene sequence, the chromosome having inverted gene sequence. Yes, these are correct. दोनों भी होगा. A dicentric chromosome with a duplication and deletion, and a centric chromosome with duplication and deletion, the chromosome having duplication and deletion. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग, हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना, दैट वी हैव टू सी फर्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कॉम्बिनेशन विल बी मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट. ओके, मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट कौन सा है, दैट वी हैव टू सी फॉर द डायग्राम शोन. ओके, सी ऐसे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते वक्त व्हाट यू हैव टू सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, inversion is of two types, paracentric and pericentric. ओके, तो जो हमें डायग्राम दिया है दैट इज व्हाट टाइप. ओके, तो बेसिकली जो लूप है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज इन्वर्जन लूप, दैट क्रॉसिंग ओवर, so this is called inversion loop. हमने इन्वर्जन की वीडियो में देखा है ये सब डिटेल में. प्लीज वॉच दैट, देन यू विल गेट टू नो इन दिस अबाउट दिस वेरी मच क्लियरली, राइट. इन्वर्जन लूप में अगर सेंट्रोमर है मीन दिस इज अ पेरीसेंट्रिक. ओके, अगर इन्वर्जन लूप में सेंट्रोमियर हमें दिखाई दे रहा है मीन्स दिस इज अ पेरीसेंट्रिक. सेंट्रोमियर इज इन्वॉल्व, राइट. अभी ए एंड बी दोनों भी करेक्ट क्यों है, बिकॉज एक क्रोमोसोम नॉर्मल होगा एंड एक क्रोमोसोम इन्वर्टेड होगा. दिस इज पॉसिबल इन बोथ द कंडीशन, पैरासेंट्रिक में भी एंड पेरीसेंट्रिक में भी ऐसे होता है. ओके, एक नॉर्मल क्रोमोसोम, एक इन्वर्टेड क्रोमोसोम. नाउ डाइसेंट्रिक एंड असेंट्रिक, this is found in paracentric, so C and D will be not there here. This case is about pericentric. Pericentric में the chromosome having duplication and deletion will be there. A, B, E will be the correct statement, option number 2. Okay, ऐसे हम solve कर सकते हैं. Keep watching till the end, you will understand more clearly, and also after doing this PYQs we will discuss some important points to be remembered. जो ऐसे कुछ important points I will give you so that it will be more easy. There is huge repetition. See, बहुत सारा repetition होता है ऐसे questions में. Following is a picture of an inversion heterozygote undergoing a single crossing over event. The following statements are given towards explaining consequences at the end of meiosis. Okay, so first we will see क्या करना है. Which combinations of statement is correct. Okay, correct statements we have to identify. So first of all again डायग्राम देखेंगे हम. Here inversion loop में centromeres are involved. This is a case of pericentric inversion. Okay, फिर pericentric inversion में क्या आता है, that we have to see. The resultant two chromosomes will have deletions and duplication. Okay, a dicentric and an acentric chromosome will be formed. No, ये तो पैरा में होता है, right? Dicentric, acentric is not seen in pericentric. So B will be wrong. Right? B will be wrong. 1 and 3 wrong. The inversion does not allow crossing over to occur. So even if a crossing over is initiated, it will fail to occur. So this is also wrong. Crossing over होता है. Okay, crossing over fail to occur. This is wrong. Inversion does not allow crossing over to occur. ऐसे नहीं है. We can see from the picture itself, crossing over takes place. Again, C is wrong. So this will be wrong. And 4 is the correct. Okay, ऐसे हम easily solve कर सकते हैं. First, from the two statements, we got the answer. A, E, F are the correct statement? Let's see. The crossing over is considered suppressed by inversion as the acentric chromosome will not segregate normally. Again, कुछ भी statement दिया है, acentric chromosome is just limited to the paracentric side, right? All the gametes formed with the crossover chromatids at the end of meiosis will be non-viable as they carry large deletion or duplication. Yes, the crossover results into products. Okay, मतलब जो products बनेंगे after crossover, those will be non-viable because they will carry, उसमें होगा deletion and duplication, right? So this is absolutely correct. The gametes having non-crossover, that is parental chromatid, will survive. Yes. Okay. This is also correct. So you saw how we solve this question. कैसे हम easily solve कर सकते हैं. तो confirm wrong है. From the elimination we can solve the question. An individual is having an inversion in heterozygous condition. The regions on normal chromosome are marked as A, B, C, D, E, F, G. While the chromosome having inversion has the region as A, B, E, D, C, F, G. Okay. So inversion has occurred here. The diagram given below shows pairing of these two homologous chromosomes during meiosis and the site of crossing over is indicated. The following statements are given to describe the inversion and the consequence of crossing over shown in the above diagram. Which combination of the above statements describe the inversion and meiotic consequence correctly? The correct statements we have to identify. Again, from the picture we will first tell the type of the inversion. तो यहाँ पे सेंट्रोमियर बाहर है, okay, not in the inversion loop. This is a case of paracentric. Okay, centromeres are out of the inversion loop. Paracentric inversion. So let's see the first statement. This is a pericentric inversion. No, A will be cancelled. This will generate a dicentric and an acentric chromosome following separation of chromosome after crossing over. Yes, B is correct. This will generate two monocentric recombinant chromosomes following separation of chromosome after crossing over. No, this we have not studied, right? All the gametes, we will keep this for as a on a hold, right? Let's read next statement. All the gametes thus formed will have deletion and or duplication and will be non-viable. All the gametes, ऐसे नहीं होता, right? All the gametes will have deletion and duplication. No, this is the wrong state. So D will be wrong. D will be wrong. Answer will be 3. B, E, F. Okay, so C is again confirm wrong. From the options, elimination से हम solve कर सकते हैं easily. 50% of the gametes having recombinant chromatid will be non-viable, while 50% gametes having non-recombinant chromatid will be survive. Okay, मतलब parental and जो recombinant है, तो recombinant है that will be non-viable. जो parental है non-recombinant means parental, right? This will survive. And this is a paracentric inversion. Yes. E and F both are correct. Option number 3, B, E, F is correct statement. Fertilization of gametes containing chromosome with duplication or deletion often results in children with disabilities. मतलब डिलीशन एंड डुप्लीकेशन अगर है तो उससे डिसेबिलिटीज आती है इन द चिल्ड्रन. So what is the probability of a couple where male is stereotypically normal and the female has pericentric inversion in heterozygous condition, producing a child with disabilities if crossing over took place within the pericentric inversion in 26% of the meiotic division. In this case, consider that fertilization with a gamete containing chromosomic duplication or deletion will result in disabilities. Easy ऐसी. This is very big question but very easy. तो मेल है and female है. तो मेल is normal. Female तो mother है that is having a inversion. Okay, and inversion heterozygous condition है, right? तो हमें बताना है probability of occurrence of the children with disabilities. Very easy. 26% क्रॉसिंग ओवर दिया है. तो वी नो दैट क्रॉसिंग ओवर जब होता है तो उसमें 50% वायबल होता है एंड 50% आर नॉन वायबल. मीन्स 26% का हाफ हाफ हमें देखना है. व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? 13%. 13%. दैट इज इट ओनली. So option number 2 will be the answer, 13%. But because inversion heterozygous condition and that too जब क्रॉसिंग ओवर होता है तभी प्रॉब्लम होता है, राइट? तो क्रॉसिंग ओवर फ्रीक्वेंसी इज ऑलरेडी गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन 26% एंड 26% का हाफ देखना है हमें बिकॉज 50% आर नॉर्मल एंड 50% आर हैविंग प्रॉब्लम गैमेट. तो इसका हाफ विल बी द आंसर, right? So 13% is the probability of occurrence of children with disability. Now again, an individual is having a paracentric inversion. यहाँ पे दे दिया है क्वेश्चन में paracentric inversion है denoted by region FED marked by arrows. Okay, यार in homozygous condition, ये homozygous condition दिया है. The meiotic consequences of inversion can be, again, what we have to do, which of the above statement or their combination will explain the meiotic consequence of the given inversion logically. So means correct ही हमें identify करना है. Generation of an acentric and dicentric chromosome. The recombinants will have long deletion or duplication and may be lethal. The inversion will suppress crossing over. All gametes will have complete genome and will survive normally. Very tricky question this is, right? ऐसे देखा जाए तो tricky है. Why? Because paracentric inversion है and all the statements explain the paracentric inversion. Okay. Now, how this is easy to solve? क्वेश्चन को रीड करते वक्त ध्यान से पढ़ना है. Here is the trick. Homozygous condition. Okay, homozygous condition. अगर homozygous condition है in that case there is no worry. तो यहाँ पे all the gametes will have complete genome and will survive normally. Okay, see, it is logically correct. दोनों क्रोमोसोम में इन्वर्जन है, in this also, in this also. So they will pair normally, they will segregate normally. Crossing over वगैरह जो होगा, all this will be normal. Okay, heterozygous condition में two chromosomes have one chromosome is normal, one is inverted. So crossing over होता है in there is after crossing over there is deletion duplication product, so that becomes problematic. अगर homozygous condition है then the gametes will be normal, all the gametes. Okay, so here option number 4 only D will be the correct. Right, ऐसे हमें क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से देखना है. Okay, if you don't know that much in detail then you will say that all the statements are true for the paracentric thing और ABC करेक्ट करके आओगे, right? But that is not the thing. The answer is 4 because there is a homozygous condition. Homozygous condition is results in normal gamete, normal survival. Now let's make here a short note type. Okay, inversion. How you can remember inversion? First of all, homozygous है, then this is completely normal. Heterozygous, problematic. After crossover, okay, after crossover, मतलब क्रॉसओवर होने के बाद इनवायबल गैमेट्स प्रोड्यूस होते हैं. इफ क्रॉसओवर डज नॉट ऑकर देन आल्सो दीज आर ओके. नाउ जस्ट अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन पैरासेंट्रिक एंड पेरीसेंट्रिक. पेरी इसमें आई है, आई, तो कैन रिमेंबर सेंट्रोमियर इज इन्वॉल्व, स्टैंड्स फॉर इन्वॉल्व. सेंट्रोमियर इज इन्वॉल्व. अगर सेंट्रोमियर इन्वॉल्व है तो इसमें डिलीशन एंड डुप्लीकेशन products form after crossing over. This is very important. After crossing over and paracentric में just dicentric, acentric. This we have to remember. These are the highlights. Okay. Dicentric, acentric after crossing over only. Right. After crossing over. Okay. How are the gametes? Basically after crossing over, 50% viable and 50% non-viable. Right? So this is how you can remember the inversion shortly. So that's it for this video. I hope this video helps you. If you find this video helpful, do let us know in the comment section. Like this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.